Hey everyone, it's Bowser here with Penny Stock Data Science, doing another video today about the bird flu. We saw the headline today that California declared the emergency over bird flu, and we saw some action in a few tickers, related to bird flu. So thought it'd be a good time to show you how we are using the PSDS Elite tool to, to find trade opportunities with this. So we're opening up our keyword tracker here. And we have in our keyword tracker bird flu under the H5N1 keyword here. And we are logging, with our tool, any SEC filing that is going to have any keyword associated with this mentioned, and putting into our data here that we use to filter through and, find interesting ways to, find trade opportunities. So applying this here, and in particular, I'm not really super interested in a lot of these filings. We're really looking for here is 8Ks and 6Ks. So I'm going to filter again. So right now we're filtering for the bird flu H5N1, and we're going to be looking at the form here. Let's see where. Here we go. 8K, AKA, and the 6K. And we're going to apply this. We're not really interested in the quarterly reports or anything that may mention this just in a kind of random way that doesn't really matter for us. We really want 8Ks, 6Ks where we're finding, new events, or in a lot of cases, press releases. For most of the time, a press release will come out, get put into an 8K as a exhibit here later. So this is pretty much what we're looking for. We're looking for new instances of bird flu being mentioned. So we're going to sort here for the newest, and here we are. We're going to expand this a little so we can see. So, and here we are. We have VRAX. We had some volume there today. AEMD. There are a lot of other tickers here. So ZTEK, OMER. And we can take a look here and we can see. Okay, so press release, exhibits, all these things. So we can take a look at VRAX. We can open it up here, and we can see we have the exhibit here for the letter to the shareholders that came out yesterday, the 17th. And we can search H5N1, and here we go. Maintains the ability to distribute the testing kits. Okay, so I think we already knew that they were involved, but some of these other ones you might not be. So ZTEK, and we're gonna look again for the H5N1, and we can see here. Okay, so they're developing something for treatment of influenza in H5N1. Okay, H5N1. So they're doing something with bird flu here, and we can keep going down the list. This for our tool here, we have this correlated tickers column here, just telling you every ticker where this is mentioned. This might not be the best way to use it in this case, just because we're only looking for 8Ks and 6Ks, but you can keep going. So like you think COCP, we can take a look at the link here for the exhibit, and it says okay, so it's something about their financial results, and we can take a look here, and boom, June 2024 reported activity and H5N1. So they're doing something with that in the dairy cows. And we keep going and going, but basically this is our list here of tickers that are doing something with bird flu. We're kind of really drilling down here instead of a list you might have somewhere else that they may have mentioned it once. Like we're looking here for the most recent mentions in the 8Ks of bird flu, and then we can compile our list, and then we'll have tickers that we are ready to put up on the charts and use. Not necessarily that way. You'll have it ahead of time. You won't necessarily be late to a trade, but yeah, that's how we're using the tool here to look up things like bird flu. We also have, we can reset this here, and we can take a look. We have just regular influenza, in case those tickers get popular too. And then we can go ahead and sort it, and some of these might be similar, but we have stuff like BTDR, DDC. But just the way that we're using our tools here at Penny Stock Data Science to find tickers and find the keywords that we really want to know about for trade opportunities. So Thanks for watching, and please check our YouTube channel for more videos, and don't forget to subscribe.